This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable food containers, specifically the Asporto multi-compartment food containers. These are unique little containers that come with their lids, and you can see they have multiple compartments, meaning that if you have things that you want to pack together, whether it's for your lunch or take out for possibly your restaurant or food truck, you can keep those items separate, because really, who wants their mashed potatoes and gravy with meatloaf mixing with maybe a side of corn or green beans? It's going to have a lot of liquid in it, meaning that you're going to do things like keep your sides nice and fresh because they're contained in that flavorful, beautiful liquid, and separate from your other items where you don't want things mixing together, getting too runny, interfering with textures, tastes, and flavors. So these are a nice option if you're looking to do meal prep at home, or if you're looking to do things like lunches to take to the office or school, or even for takeout for restaurants, food trucks, caterers, whatever. And they have a nice range of sizes. This one is the 3-compartment that holds up to 26 ounces. We also have the 2-compartment 32 ounce. The 4-compartment 34 ounce. You can see this one has a nice kind of classic TV dinner lunch tray shape to it. And then also we have the 34 ounce 6-compartment, which has a nice kind of bento box feel to it, especially with that little cup in the middle that would be perfect for things like pickled ginger, radish, or a little wasabi. So there's a lot of nice options, and they all come with the corresponding lids to ensure you get a nice kind of leak-free seal on these, right? That's going to keep everything separate and also keep it from leaking out in, say, to-go bags. They're microwave safe and they're made from recyclable plastic, making them a great option, whether it's for home meal prep or for your food truck or restaurant.